Hi everyone and welcome to Orange Cooking. Tonight we're going to make tortillas, flour tortillas. So first thing we need is 2 cups of flour. Then I'm putting a spoon of salt and 2 spoons of olive oil. 1, 2 and 3/4 cups of water, just normal water. After this, we're just going to mix it all up. What I like to do is with my tortillas is to try to just mix them by hand if I can. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you feel it's too dry or it's too sticky, you can always add more flour or more water, just a little bit at a time. Now that you knead it enough, it's not as sticky. You see there's nothing left on your hands after you put it on. I like to do is put some olive oil on the bottom of my bowl. Take the dough and just spread it on. And we leave it in here. And I'm just going to cover this with my towel and leave it there for about 2 hours for it to rise a little bit. Alright, now I let my dough rest enough. I can take it out. What I like to do is just knead it a little bit longer, just so it becomes easier to work with. And I'll show you in a second. Now it's ready to work with. You just want to make them about golf ball sizes. And we're going to go to our tortilla maker. Let me just put this aside. We're going to take 1 parchment paper that I have here. I'm going to put it on top. I'll show you. Put our bowl we have here just on the middle. And then we're going to take another parchment paper. Push it a bit. And all we're doing is just squishing it together, and then lift it up, take off the parchment paper, and we can fry our tortilla. I like to fry it 10 minutes on each direction till it's all cooked. Now that I finished this tortilla, you can see you can make it hard, soft, however you like, and it looks nice and delicious. So please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.